Article 210.50 Receptacle outlets. Receptacle outlets shall be installed as specified in 210.52 through 210.65. Informational note. See Informative Annex J for information regarding ADA accessibility design. A. Cord pendants. A cord connector that is supplied by a permanently connected cord pendant shall be considered a receptacle outlet. B. Cord connections. A receptacle outlet shall be installed wherever flexible cords with attachment plugs are used. Where flexible cords are permitted to be permanently connected, receptacles shall be permitted to be omitted for such cords. C. Appliance receptacle outlets. Appliance receptacle outlets installed in a dwelling unit for specific appliances, such as laundry equipment, shall be installed within 1.8 meters 6 ft of the intended location of the appliance.